Hello? You there? You want to know how to make an Instagram carousel in Photoshop? I got your back. Let's go. So let's create a new file. 10,800 and here 1350 and create. It gives you this long format. What you have to do next is very simple. You have to go on the window view and then guides and new guides layout. And there you go. And you set up the number to 10 and you press OK. Then you go take the tool, the slicer, you right click and divide a slice, and here you write 0 and you press OK. Once you finish your design, you want to export, right? Let's do it. So you go on File, Export, and you go to Save for Web Legacy. Click on it. Then you right click and you put this at 6%. You select everything here, you put the quality to 100, then you click on Save, you create a new file. Let's call it Instagram Carousel 1. Let's select the file and save. Then let's go check the file. And now, as you can see, you have all your slides here. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and subscribe for more. Thank you. Ciao.